Hi, I'm Brian Zetty. I'm a senior researcher. My work is being presented at the World Congress of Dermatology on a new rotating cleansing device.
And my name is Greg Hillebrand. I'm a principal scientist here at P&G, and I've had the pleasure of working with Brian on this project. This is a breakthrough technology that is really bringing new cleansing efficacy to consumers. Brian, let's look at the new device.
I wanted to do a little demonstration here, showing how the rotating device is actually superior to manual cleansing using makeup.
So Brian's developed a test procedure, and he can do it in his sleep now.
Yes.
It starts with applying a hydrophobic foundation that's very usually difficult to remove, and then to use a special cleanser that goes with the device, a little warm water, and he's going to just put some warm water on his arm, apply the cleanser, and he will show you how one side he's going to use just a normal hand wash,
and you can see that the makeup is still very much there in comparison to how it was in the first place. And I'll do the same thing on the other side, but with the rotating cleansing device for about the same amount of time. And you can see here the makeup is still there with the manual cleansing, and most of the makeup has been removed using the rotating device.
So the other aspect about the research that we'll present at the World Congress of Dermatology in Seoul is not only the cleansing efficacy of the product, but also its ability to exfoliate and smooth and cause skin smoothing. Brian has done some really good research on that to show how that the device can improve that. Yeah. Exfoliation efficacy.
Yeah. In addition to the exfoliation efficacy that we've shown, research has been done on the removal of anaerobic bacteria from the skin. Data is still pending for future studies on that, but it's certainly an interesting route that rotating devices might be able to do in the future for the consumer.
Yeah, and that work was done by Jeff Domsock, who is a microbiologist in the company. So we had a nice, good collaborative interaction with our micro department on this project.
In addition to the microbiological study that was performed, a transepidermal water loss study was also performed that showed that tool was not increased when using the rotating cleansing apparatus versus using a cleanser by itself, which we thought was a very interesting artifact. One would expect, given the high level of exfoliation that we've demonstrated, to increase tool, but in this case it did not, and we're still looking at the information.
I'm the fortunate guy. I get to go to Seoul and speak to the passerbys that are going to look at our poster and present it to them. I've been to Seoul once before, but that was for a 24-hour trip. Actually, I arrived on Monday morning and I was gone by Tuesday morning. So this time I actually have some time to spend in Seoul. And South Korea is probably one of the premier countries in the world leading the charge in devices. So I'm very excited about the possibility of interacting with other scientists at the meeting who are also interested in devices. And our device certainly will grab the attention of, I hope, the meeting participants.